God is God of love and justice. If God will just forgive us, just like that, God is going to be unjust. Because how about the victims of mass killing, rape? Walang kaparusahan? Walang justice? So how can God satisfy His love and justice at the same time? It's through the Lord Jesus Christ. It's through the cross. Since kailangan may kaparusahan sa ating mga kasalanan, pinadala niya yung bugtong anak na siya na mismo ang mamatay sa cross alang sa atin. So instead of tayo ang mamatay sa krus, ang anak niya ang nagbayad ng kasalanan. So in that way, God shows His love for us. He shows His love because, He did not spare His Son for us. But at the same time, God's justice was met because there is a punishment for sin. God's love and justice are met on the cross. Kung isipin mo, wow, so anong gagawin natin? Ang gagawin natin is maniwala lamang tayo. We put our trust in the Lord.